Hi, Brad Nevins here with FastrackCE. In this tutorial, we're going to cover adding courses to your shopping cart. So there's two ways to get to the list of courses, either from the navigation bar up here where you'll get the drop-down list of states, or from this navigation box here in the main home screen header image. And again, you start by choosing your home state. And so this should be the home state that you are licensed in. After choosing the state, you have the option of choosing some specific course topics for your specific license type, or you can just simply choose all and the system will display all the courses we have available. Once you're in this state view of all the courses we have available, you can also use this navigation box to select a specific topic that you would like to complete, or more than one. So maybe I have a life and health license and I need to complete annuity training and I need ethics. So I've chosen those two categories. You can then navigate to see those lists. We do also have bundles that we've been adding recently that give you the full 24 hours of credits, and you can choose from those bundles that are available. Makes the process a little bit simpler, and you can go ahead and add the multiple courses listed to your cart with just one click, which is really convenient. But assuming maybe you've completed some credits elsewhere and you just need your annuity training and your ethics course, you just scroll down a little further. We show the annuity courses that we have available. You choose the one that's appropriate. I'm going to choose this 8-hour California annuity training, and we're going to add that to the cart. And then I'm going to click on continue shopping because I want to get that ethics course. If that's the only course you were to need, then you can click on the go to cart and start the checkout process. But I'm going to scroll down and choose one of the ethics courses that we have available. So I'm going to choose ethics for the senior market and click add to the cart. I am going to point out that the minimum requirement for ethics training in California is 3 hours. Most of our ethics courses have been approved for 4 hours, but don't let that bother you. You're going to get your full credits. You just get 1 extra hour for completing that specific course. Once you're here, you can proceed to your cart to check out. We'll cover that in an upcoming tutorial. Thank you.